What's the meaning of convalescent? Convalescent. Convalescent.
Convalescent. Convalescent. The word convalescent describes someone who is in the process of recovering from an illness or medical procedure. This term suggests a stage where the individual is no longer acutely ill, but is still regaining their strength and returning to their previous level of health. During this period, the person may still require some support and care to assist them in their recovery. The ultimate goal of convalescence is for the person to regain full health and return to their normal activities and daily life.